So you're young, you have all this time on your hands, you're really ambitious, but you don't really know how to start. You don't know how to actually make money online. You don't know how to make money in general. In this video, I'm going to show you just to stop wasting your time and just start building. Don't be scared and just build. Let's get right into the video. So I was the same way. I'm still young, but a couple years ago, I was just 16 years old, and I see all these gurus, all these people making money, and I was like, I love business. Like I love this stuff. I want to be just like those people. I want to start making money. I want to start selling something. I want to start actually creating. But I was so scared. I was like, what are people gonna think about me? Like, what if I fail? I was so afraid of just the rejection of like, I might not make it. So what's the point of even trying? So I waited like 2 years basically of just sitting around, just listening and like listening to people talk about creating and like, oh, you should create. And I was just like, no, I'd rather just consume the information. And that felt like work for me. I was like, oh, I'm so smart. I know all this business stuff, but I didn't start anything. I was just consuming. And then one day I realized, do I want it or not? That's the question at the end of the day. And I finally figured it out. I was like, hey, I'm getting older. I was like just turning 17, about to be 18. And I was like, I gotta start creating. So I did. I posted my first video. It sucked. But you know what? That's okay. I realized that when I'm young, I have a lot of time on my hands. I can start actually trying to build my business. And that's exactly what you should do. And that's in this video, I'm trying to explain that you're young. You have all this time. Start creating. Start building your brand. That's all of gurus you see, all these people are making money, they're all starting a brand. You know why? Because that's business. You can create something from that. When you have an audience, when you have a following, people already trust you. You just give everything you know. And you don't even have to have like a product actually. You can actually just be yourself. If you like to know how to tell stories, that can be your product. That can be your business. You can just go on YouTube and be like, how to tell the best story and make that all your videos. People that want to tell stories are going to go right to you. And if you give all your free information, they're going to go straight to you. And if you actually sell something, they're like, oh, this dude helped me the first time, I'm going to buy his stuff. That's all it is. But you have to put yourself out there. You have the confidence to be like, okay, can I actually stop wasting my time? And can I just go for it? That's all it is the reason why business is so hard. It's not from all like, you have to do all this marketing, all this work. That sucks. It's simple, but it does suck. But it's more just the games your mind plays in your head. You're battling yourself back and forth. You're like, this is not going to be good. People are not going to like you. You suck. Get out of here. Stop pretending. You're not this guy. Go to a regular job. But the other side of you is like, you have this. You got this. Like, keep trying. And then once you find your success, you finally are like, I was right the whole time. There's a peace that comes over you. You have to find that success. Humans are not meant to just work. Like the work, and an office job, sit in a chair. They're supposed to be adventurous. They're supposed to be curious. Remember when you were a kid and you would ask questions and all these adults are like, stop asking questions. Why are you so curious? That's what shoots your dreams. That's why when you become an adult, you're like, oh, I'm not going to ask anything. I can't be curious because I don't want to be annoying. I don't want to be. But that's exactly who you want to be. That's exactly why, like, I don't know why school systems, I don't know why everything shoots everything down. When you're supposed to be your kid self, no matter what. The one that's always happy, the one that's curious, the one that's just trying to learn. That's what you need to be. And I don't know why when we grow up, it just shoots down. You're like, oh, we don't have this. I'm just going to work a regular job. But you do have it. You have something, you have a skill that you can sell and you can put on YouTube. You can build into a brand. Any skill. People need your skill. And when you're young, you have a lot of time. You don't have a lot of people on your side. And that's the thing you got to create. You have all this time, so you better start creating. Because if you keep wasting time, all of a sudden you're going to be old. You're going to be like 25. Like, what the heck happened? I got family now. Like, what happened? I think as humans, we like give up on ourselves too quick. You put something out there, you give it your best, and people don't respond to it well. And they're like, okay, I guess that's over for me. I guess I'm not going to find success. But things take time. You see like Mr. Beast. It took him 7 years to actually grow a crazy amount. But do you think it's worth it at the end of the day? He's got money. He's having fun. He's doing things he wants to do. That's worth it. And I'm not saying that Like he has a crazy subscriber count now. It doesn't take that long to grow just a little bit. If you actually provide value and actually are so good at the skill, everyone has a skill they're good at, no matter who you think you are. If you think you don't, sit in a room for 30 minutes and just think. Be like, what do I actually really enjoy and I can actually talk about for hours? And eventually you're going to get something. And it might not be about business. It might not be about anything. There's people in school communities and they're teaching calligraphy. That's not business. They're just teaching how to write. And they make money off it. It's just a skill you need to have that you could teach other people for money. That's all it is. And everyone has that skill, but don't be scared to actually take the first step. That's what scared me. And it took me forever to figure out, like, hey, this is actually what I want to do. And I can't even imagine myself working my whole life. This is all I want to do. I want to build something. I feel like that's what I was meant to be. And I know people are like that out there. They want to build something. They don't want to have a boss up their butt every 5 seconds. They want to build something, but they don't know how to. You're young. You have time. You have all this time. Start creating. Who cares what people talk about you? You're going to get criticized no matter what. But are you going to get better? Are you going to improve? Don't back down. Don't quit after one video flopped. All videos, look at my whole channel. Bunch of videos flopped. It's okay. But what your success is are you keep going. That's all it is. All successful people flop. You're supposed to fail. Failure is a part of success. You have to fail first to win. That's all it is. But are you willing to keep failing? Are you willing to get embarrassed every single day to find your success? Are you willing? That's the price you pay to win. Now, are you going to do it? Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys found value. And I hope if you're young, you have your time. You have a lot of time on your hands. You don't got a family yet. Start now. Start creating now. Start building your business. Start building something that you actually want to do. That's the whole point of life, is about experiencing and doing what you love. And it's going to take a while. It's going to be frustrating. It's going to suck for a second. But at the end of the day, your passion for your skill and what you're creating and what you're showing people is going to keep you through it. And I'd honestly rather go through something I'm creating myself than stick with a boss my whole life and not improve one bit and hate my job. I'd rather do this any day of the week. And just build your brand, build business, start something, please. Stop wasting your time. Keep going. I hope you guys really found value in this video, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.